In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare DNS for your domain name. We'll walk through navigating the dashboard, managing DNS records, reviewing analytics, checking key settings like DNSSEC, and finally updating your name servers so Cloudflare can serve your domain. Start by heading to your Cloudflare dashboard and opening the domain section. From the list, select your domain to open its dashboard. Next, go to the DNS area, then open the records view. This is where you'll see all existing records for your domain. Use the search box to quickly locate records by name or type. If you have a long list, apply filters to narrow down exactly what you need to review or edit. When you're ready to create something new, click Add Record. Choose the type that matches your use case, such as A or E by A for pointing a hostname to a server, SNAME for aliases, MX for email routing, or TXT for things like verification and SPF. Enter the record details carefully. Set the name or subdomain, add the target value like an IP address or host name, and select a TTL. Decide whether to enable the proxy. The orange cloud routes traffic through Cloudflare for performance and security, while DNS only leaves it unproxied. When everything looks correct, click Save. Most changes propagate quickly, but global DNS can take a bit to catch up. Next, open Analytics for DNS. This provides visibility into query patterns and traffic. Use filters here too to focus on specific record types or time ranges. Then head to Settings for DNS. Review DNSSEC options to protect your domain against spoofing. Multi-signer DNSSEC is available if you coordinate with another provider. You'll also see multi-provider DNS features for advanced redundancy scenarios and email security tooling that helps you validate and protect mail-related DNS like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These settings don't change your records by themselves, but they guide how you configure and secure them. Return to the DNS overview when you're done reviewing settings. Now, replace your current name servers at your domain registrar with the Cloudflare name servers shown in your dashboard. Copy the two name servers Cloudflare provides and paste them into your registrar's name server fields, replacing any that are there now. Save your changes at the registrar. DNS delegation changes can take from a few minutes up to a day or two to fully propagate worldwide. Back in Cloudflare, click Check Name Servers Now to prompt a fresh check. Once Cloudflare detects the change, your domain will be active on Cloudflare DNS, and your records and settings will take effect. That's it, you've set up Cloudflare DNS for your domain.